It shock you.
Oh!
Hey, man, I know what you know.
Now our people.
I know what you know.
Oh, now our people.
I know what you know.
Odibo.
I know what you know.
Odibo.
Yeah, the reggae.
Ah.
I have the reggae.
Odogu. Oh, I'm not trying.
Yeah.
Ndikui.
Hey, man, I'm a mia.
Odogu.
Hey, man, I'm a mia. Ah. If you don't get about what area I want, it's one about. So in this place, we are shooting a multiple video. Mount your camera, either landscape or portrait mode. Look at what I just did. Chase after your subject and touch him. After that, shoot only this guy. After shooting this guy, you shoot your empty background. Then after that, you then you make a shoot where this guy jump up and fall to the ground. That is all. Then after shooting this one, then the next one, now you shoot the two of them where the other guy was shocked, you know, and that is all. Save the video to your gallery and head over to Capcut. Capcut, new projects, import your video. So at this point, you look for where you want your video to start from. Look at this place where I'm chasing the subject now. From here, click on the video, make a split, delete this first part, then click on the video and zoom the video. Then you dress it the way you want it to be. At this point now, click on this plus. Then import your empty background because you need empty background for next video. Then as you import it, you click on it, you make a split from here, make a split here, delete this other part, we don't need it again. So at this point now, you want to be clicking overlay. Click overlay, guys, click overlay. Then you import your video, import the subject again, look at this very place. Then you import it to workspace. Click on the video and zoom. Make it to fit the screen. So you locate this place and click on the video now. You make a split, okay? You delete this part. We don't need it again. So you go to the edge. You click on the video again and make a split. You delete the last part. We don't need it again. Click on the video. Take it to the empty background. This place. Put it here. So at this point now, you adjust it. After adjusting it, you now click on the video and go and look for remove BG. So click on the video now, go and look for remove BG. Look for remove BG, guys. Click on remove BG, auto removal. Allow it to remove completely. It has removed completely. So click on the video now, you add keyframe. Click on it, click on keyframe. Then you adjust it. You adjust the video. Then you cropple the subject, cropple it, finish, cropple it completely. Then after cropping it, then you take time to adjust it to make sure it's okay. Just take your time here. Then after that, you want to be clicking on overlay. Click on overlay, then you import your objects. You import your object now, import your object to the workspace. Then click on it and make it to fit the screen. Then go and look for the object. Look at it here. Click here now, make a split, delete this first part. We don't need it again, okay? Then you click on this one and adjust it to align with the subject, okay? So immediately you show the subject, the croppled subject, then it will show the object immediately. That is how to turn a human being into an object, okay? That is how to turn a human being into an object. Take note. So at this moment, click on this very one and you make a split. Click on it, you make a split and delete this last part. We don't need it again. So look at what happens here now, okay? We have turned that subject into an object. Sometimes here, you use a bigger object so that you shoot the something falling from the up, okay? So that when your croppled subject is croppling, then immediately it will show when that thing is falling. Okay, like, comment and share this video so that YouTube will recommend it to other subscribers. Okay, if this is your first time of coming across our YouTube channel, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Okay, if you like this video, give us thumbs up. Okay, you are welcome. So we are continuing now. Let's continue from where we stop. So at this point, you want to just play the video to see whether there is an adjustment. After watching it, you click on overlay immediately. Click on overlay and bring in another video. This time I want to show you another thing here. So you bring in this video now. So look at what happened from here now. So I want to pick up this object now. The subject I turned into an object. So click here, make a split, delete this first part, we don't need it again. Then you drag this one. Look at now what happened next. Look at what happened next. I'm coming to pick the object now. Okay, then I will just look around. You know now, Nigerian movie way, you understand, Nollywood style. So I pick it up now. At this point where I pick up the object and throw it inside my bag, you just pause there and come and click your overlay. Okay, look at this place, then leave it here, click your overlay so that you will see what I will show you again. Click your overlay from that very point where you threw in the object into your bag. Click on overlay, import your next video. Look at this guy now, where he jump up and fall to the ground. Import the video now. Then you can decide to make it fit the screen. You can leave it like that. Here is your choice, but I will now be splitting at the point where he jump up. Just watch what I'm going to be doing here. This point where you jump up, I click the video and make a split. Then I will adjust a little bit and make another split and delete those parts and click this one and bring it. Okay, bring it under this very place where I threw the object inside my bag. Then I will be clicking on the video now to remove BG. Okay, after aligning it, watch what I'm going to do now. After aligning it, make sure it's at the point where you threw the subject into your bag. Then click on that very layer now. Then you go and remove BG. Look for remove BG. Click on remove BG. Auto removal. Click on auto removal. Allow it to remove completely. It has removed completely. So what you want to be doing now is to click on the video. Click on the video, then you add keyframe. As you add keyframe, then you use your hand to adjust and cropple the subject. Cropple it well, cropple it until you don't see it again. Cropple it, okay? Cropple it. After croppling it now, the next thing you are going to be doing is to adjust the video a bit. Then after cropping it, you adjust the video now. Okay, as you adjust the video, then you start pulling it out again. Use your two thumbs, your two fingers to pull it out again, just like you croppled it at the first. So as you are bringing it out now, you are adjusting it the way it's going to be. Okay, look at what I am doing. You are pulling it out, you are adjusting it. After pulling it out and adjusting it, then you can now put the subject to the ground. Look at what happened here. Good. Can you see it now? Good. Then after washing and making your necessary adjustment, click here, make a split, delete that last part. So the next thing we are going to be doing now is to click overlay. You want to be clicking overlay now to bring another video. Bring the last video now. Look at this one, bring it in. So what this place will be doing now is immediately the subject is falling down, it will show this place. Okay, look at it. From this very place where you shifted back, where you did as if you are shocked, you click on the video, make a split, delete the first part. I think this your video is ready now. Look at it now. So when the subject is falling down, this one will now show immediately. Can you see it now? Can you see it? So what I've done now is that I've shown you, I've teach you two things in one, okay? Two things in one. So this video, I think, has ended here. This is all you need to know about this tutorial, but there is another thing you need to know. As you finish this work, click here, make a split. So watch the video, let us see what we have got before I will tell you the next thing I want to tell you. Watch the video now. You can see this is a very good one. Now you can shoot this one now. You can shoot this one. This is a video. This is Nollywood style, okay? Watch it then. After watching it, so I'll be telling you the next thing I want to tell you. So this video is ready here, but the thing is that you cannot be able to export this video because you use multiple auto removal features. Even if it is one you use, auto removal feature is a pro feature. So because it's a pro feature, you cannot be able to export this video. But don't worry, we have got you covered. I've recorded a video how to use Capcut Auto Pro features for free. Just go and watch that video, then you come back and know how to export this your video. Like, comment and share this video so that YouTube will recommend it to other subscribers out there, okay? Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Locate your notification bell so that YouTube will always notify you whenever we drop our amazing tutorials, okay? Thank you very much. Stay safe.